Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have my weekly nail art tutorial video for you. For today, I have a quick and fun St. Patrick's nail art tutorial video for you. This is again being hosted by Patty through our Facebook group Collab. So thank you so much for this awesome theme. St. Patrick's is definitely a holiday that is celebrated in a big manner in the area where I currently live, so I thought I will definitely join in and create a manicure that I would probably wear during one of the St. Patrick's parades in my local city. If you do enjoy nail art tutorial videos, then please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here or coming from the other channels that are joining into this collab, then welcome. I hope you like what you see here, and if you do, then please hit the subscribe button before you leave. As always, I will have all the links to all the videos in my description box, and at the end of my video you will also find all the pictures that were created for this St. Patrick's collab. So let's jump into it. If you do have any questions, comments, please leave them for me in the comment section. And if you do celebrate St. Patrick's, please be safe. I know it's a crazy holiday for some places. It's kind of fun to go out there and be part of the parade. Thank you so much guys for being here today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.